Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. So today guys, we are going to be doing this bridal bun on 4C hair. Look at how gorgeous my friend looks. She was so happy. It was her engagement photo shoot, so I had already asked her to wash her hair prior and also do braids so that it can be stretched and lengthy. And then I went ahead and detangled the hair after undoing her braids. And then after that, I took the hot comb to pre-scratch the hair so that it's lengthy, and also to detangle her hair. Her hair is so beautiful, guys. The afro is not like as coarse as I thought it was. It was quite soft and it was easy to work with. And then I went ahead and straightened the hair exactly as I am doing. When I'm done straightening the hair, I went ahead and sectioned the middle parts to start applying the styling gel. I am going to be using the Dark and Lovely 48-hour styling gel. I am working in sections because I want this bun to be slick to the gods, okay? And then I tied the first one. After tying your first bun, you can go ahead and apply your styling gel. I tied my last ponytail and then I'm going to apply the styling gel again. When I was applying my styling gel, I was constantly using my brush to straighten the hair, because you know with 4C hair, when you apply styling gel, it curls again. So when you brush it, it helps. And then I decided to section out while applying the styling gel. I sectioned out hairs for edges. You know, these are my kind of edges. These are my signature edges. I don't know, I love these edges. For me, I really love these kind of edges. And then I took my Got2b glue to spray over the styling gel so that it holds the hair firm. And then I did the edges. With hot air, I went ahead and dried the styling gel. I'm used to relaxed hair, so I thought when I was doing this it was going to dry. I should have put a scarf, but anyways guys, I went ahead and sew in the hair. She bought her own hair and I actually love this hair. It was easy to work with, especially when you are curling it. This hair is so beautiful. I love it. It was easy to work with, especially when curling. You will see as I go that it is easy to curl. And then I started sewing it from the top down to the bottom. And then I decided to take the mousse. It's time to curl the hair. I applied the mousse on the hair. I didn't apply any kind of moisturizer. I just used the mousse only so that it can help with holding the curls. And then I took my curler. I know this is not how you use your curler, but I prefer using it this way because I feel like the curls last longer when you do it like this. I don't know. I don't know, but for me, ever since I got this curler, this is how I've been using it. All the other methods that I'm seeing on social media, they don't really work for me. Yes, they do curl the hair, but the curls don't last like when I did it like this. So I decided to retouch the edges because I was not happy with the edges. Since I did not use a scarf, I retouched them, and then I ended up using the scarf as I was supposed to in the beginning, because with relaxed hair you don't even need to use a scarf, but with afro apparently you have to use the scarf so that the when the edges dry or the styling gel dries, it slicks down properly. So that's what I did. And then I went ahead and took my kinky braid and then put it in a net just to create a booster to give the bun volume while styling it. You are going to go ahead and sew it in, or you can hold it with pins if you don't want to like last with the hair. You can just use pins. I mean, you can just use bobby pins, but I decided to sew it in so that it looks nice. I feel like you have more control when you've used when you sew in the booster. You can just use the bobby pins to just style or to arrange the curls when you're doing the bun, but when putting on your booster, you need to sew it in. It looks like it's better. Yeah, let me just say I recommend sewing it in. And then with my bobby pins, I rolled the curls around. I covered the booster with the curls, styling the bun, obviously, making it look nice. This is my favorite part. This part right here, I really enjoyed it. I love playing around with hair. Oh my goodness, this came out better than I have envisioned it. So now it was the time to do a bang. Because she's got 4C hair, I did not sew in the bang. I decided to attach it to the bun, exactly as I will be doing. You just take like the hair wefts and just fold them into 3 or 4. It's up to you. It depends on the volume of the bang you want. And then you sew the hair. You combine the hair with your wool, exactly as I am doing, and then when you're done, you'll just attach it to the bun. When you attach it to the bun, make sure to sew it in so that it doesn't fall off. We don't want anything to fall out of her. So once you've sewed it in, then you can then now curl the hair, and then after that you will be done with your hair. You guys, let me know, what do you guys think of this bun? Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the post notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. To complete the hairstyle, we had to accessorize the hairstyle so that it looks like a real bridal hairstyle. So we went ahead and put this beautiful pin. We had to sew it in though because it was not like staying on the hair. And then this is the overall look. I love it so much. She was so happy, which made me so happy that she is happy. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell. Also, do check her series. I am going to tag her YouTube channel here. Please do check her wedding series. Please, 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 please. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.